Alright guys, working on a little AC this morning. I need to dig out a little bit around right here so that my elbows can come out and I can make this box to sit on top of this duct here for distribution. Alright guys, what I got here is some foil backed insulation board, foam board. We need to build a collection box out of this stuff so that the elbow that you just saw I turned underneath, that is the supply line to the house. I need to build a box so that I can put some outlets to section the house off into different sections, and I can also control the flow of air. These are dampers that I'm going to install in the side of that box. So basically we just need to build a box out of this foam board with foil tape. These dampers will come out of one side for the supply, and the elbow will come into the bottom or the side, whichever way we go, to give us air throughout the house. So here we go. Alright guys, trying to finish up here. Been a long day. It's dark out now, but I was going to show you what we got. There's the elbow coming in from the air conditioner into the box, and then I have these 6 outlet holes here. I went ahead and added the other 2 while I had the box out, make it a lot easier. I can just cap those off if I don't use them. But, that's going to be the intake down there. Those of course will come from filters inside the house. That is the supply back into the house, so hopefully tomorrow we might cut some holes in the floor and try and get some of this ducted in. That's it for today, guys. Alright guys, there's the intake for the HVAC, and there's my T. They're both the same size, and I did not get a collar to fit them to where they could go together. So that's what I've cut the flashing for. I need to make a flashing to go around this rim to fit this rim. So we're going to do that right quick. The lighting ain't that great, so I'll do it and then show you what I got done rather than try and show you a bunch of dark stuff. Alright guys, I put some more light down here so I could see and y'all could see. But basically I had to make this little ring right here for these 2 collars to fit together. So I'm going to set it up there and see if it will slip down on there now. I need to put a little tape on the inside. Smooth everything up. Alright guys, this is a flexible duct that I bought. These are 10-inch flexible ducts. I'm going to have 2 of these. This is what's going to pull the air back to the air conditioner outside to be conditioned to send back inside. So basically you just strap one of these ducts onto either of these 10-inch ends right here and pull the duct box where you need to go. Everything here needs to be airtight, so it gets taped up, strapped up, double sealed. Alright guys, here's the hole in the floor for my return air back to my HVAC. So I'm just going to get down in there, get that duct that you just saw me put that end on, and pull it up through this hole and connect it. Alright guys, here's our final product. I got the end on my box right here. It ought to move some heat into the house. Everything is working fine. I just need to insulate these pipes right here. and run the supply ductwork to the house. It's 8-inch, so it ought to be a little easier, but that's a basic air conditioning install. Heat as well.